Today we're drawing Battle Cat from the Masters of the Universe. Watch this. Hi, it's QJO. Welcome to my channel. Let's draw. Start with two big shiny eyes. Leave a little white spot for sparkle. Add a tiny heart-ish nose. Then a smile that curves up like, I know I'm adorable. Pop in two little fangs. Battle Cat means business. Now wrap a big, rounded face shape around its soft corners, like a squishy square. Then sketch the helmet frame along the sides, so the face sits inside like a kitty astronaut. Add the top helmet shape curve up and over, then widen out to the sides. Think battle gear, but make it cute. Time for armor details. Add the center plate on the forehead and simple panel lines. Keep shapes bold, and clean cartoon style loves confidence. Draw a big collar ring under the head, like a chunky superhero necklace. Make it slightly oval so it feels 3D. Now give him 2 front legs, short and sturdy, like he does leg day, accidentally. Add the paws with simple toe lines. Sprinkle in tiger stripes on the front legs, short, curved marks. Don't overdo it. A few good stripes beat 1,000 tiny scribbles. Add the little side bag and the back armor pieces. These shapes are basically cute rectangles. Layer them behind the head so it feels like real gear. Now draw the back legs, one closer, one peeking behind. Keep them thick and stable. Add matching stripes so the body feels consistent. Last step, draw the tail. Big curve, like a question mark that's feeling confident. Add a couple stripe bands, then you're done. Battle Cat is ready for action. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!